Our former RBI Governor Dr. Duvri Subbarao has recommended three major reforms in UPSC. He highlighted one of the most crucial points, due to which UPSC reforms are urgently needed. If these reforms get implemented now, then these will be a game changer for every aspirant preparing for UPSC. What did he focus upon? What is that major thing that he highlighted? He said that हर एक कैंडिडेट जो सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में, उस हर एक कैंडिडेट के अगेंस्ट 10 ऐसे अदर एस्पिरेंट होते हैं जो उतने ही एफर्ट से पढ़े हैं, उतने ही अच्छी प्रिपरेशन उनकी थी, उतना ही एंथुजियाज्म और डेडिकेशन के साथ वो पढ़े हैं, जिनका नहीं हुआ. For every successful candidate, there are at least 10 others who too have invested years in preparation but have failed to make the grade. He highlighted that they are at square one again. That is, they again have to start the preparation and go along the same process in that complete year. So he highlighted that this is an abysmal waste of productive years, because if you see that ये जो age होती है when a candidate is graduated, most probably 21 or 22 years of age, and he or she aspires to become a civil servant. अब 6 अटेम्प्ट कोई कैंडिडेट दे रहा है तो मतलब 26 और 27 की एज तक वो दे पाएगा 6 अटेम्प्ट. सो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव ईयर जहाँ वो कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव कुछ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर सकता था. नो डाउट ही हैज़ gained a lot of knowledge, a lot of patience and personality development. But on the other hand, as a professional experience, he has gained nothing. So this is one of the thing highlighted by Dr. Durvi Subbarao, that this is a waste of the productive years of a candidate. Now the three reforms he has recommended is: number one, that the maximum attempt allowed to a candidate should be limited to 3 only, and the upper age limit should be 27 years for general category. Second reform, that there should be a lateral entry or a mid-career pathway where a candidate of 40 years of age can again try to become civil servant. And third, there should be periodic assessment after 10 or 15 years that how these civil servants are performing in their career, and they should be given opportunities if they are not performing up to the mark. What do you think about these reforms? Should these reforms be implemented right away? What is your opinion? And those who are not able to qualify in their 6 attempts actually feel a waste or worthless or waste of time, waste of productive years, and a lot of energy that they have invested in UPSC preparation. So of course, this is not a good choice to allow a candidate for a long years to keep trying for UPSC. But on the other hand, if we analyze the UPSC paper, there are many things that have to be put right in order to crack the exam. It's not just the hard work or smart work. These are the most recent reforms recommended. If these get implemented, it will have a major impact on candidates who are preparing for years and maybe giving their fourth or fifth attempt, or might have crossed the age limit of 27 years of age. What lacks here and what is not being highlighted here is the system of conducting examination by UPSC. Answer keys being delayed since years, questions being dropped. These also are the issues that needs to be highlighted in the reforms. Answer key should be released immediately. after the exam is conducted, maybe in 2 3 days, or at least when the prelims results are announced. There should not be a delay of 1 year. Secondly, the answer key should be in detailed format. There is no detailed explanation, which is much needed. So UPSC needs to take into account these as well as some other reforms. So if you need more updates regarding these, please join the Telegram channel as well as subscribe to this channel.